I'll be showing you today how to use Python or pysimplegui. So pysimplegui is a way for us to create or it's a library that enables us to create um, uh, Windows application using Python. Okay. So the very first thing that we need to do is if it's not yet installed on our uh, or it's not yet part of our Python library is to install it first. Okay, so we can go to actually I'm using PyCharm, so I can actually go to terminal. Then as you've noticed, I just recently installed pysimplegui. So we have here I can actually use pip to install and pip install pysimplegui. Okay, or if you have pip3, then you can try to type pip3 install pysimplegui. Okay, now let's try to code this time. To import SSG. Okay, for the theme, dark amber. Layout, is actually for row 1. Okay. Try to move it here. Try to put. Okay. Cancel. Okay, this time I said to create the window. So window equals SG dot window. This particular variable refers to this one. So these are some of the elements that we are going to put on our window. While true. Okay, so let's try to run it this time. Let's try to close this over. Okay, so we already have created our window. Okay, let me just try to check if it's visible. Mhm. Let me just try to show you the output. This is actually the output of our uh, code. So let's say let's try to write something hello world. Then let's try to click OK. SG text input, nor amber, some text on row 1, so enter something on row 2. Let me just try to show. Ah, okay. So we already have it here. I forgot actually where it was out. Um, as you notice, let me just try to run it again. Let me just try to run the application again. So I'm going to click run. Okay, let me just try to show you the output. So let's try to add some text, enter something on row 2. Try to put my first Python, application. Okay, then just click OK. So let's try to go back to our PyCharm. Okay, now you can see it here already. So at the bottom we have here for under run. So the code actually you entered my first Python window application. So it will be displayed here via the terminal. Okay, to terminal, say to run. Okay, it's under run, so it will be displayed here. So actually, this is just a very simple